Hey.
Hey. That's yours.
Oh, thank you.
You bought that.
What?
Yeah, some kid was selling them and you felt bad for
Oh,
the kid.
okay. GMC Sierra.
Mm-hmm. My dad, they've been making those for so long. My dad had one.
Yeah.
It was two-tone yellow and white. It's supposed to be antiques at this one. So, we'll see.
Let's get out right here.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, check it out. Binoculars with a radio built in.
Neat.
Which that's vintage, eh?
It's old.
Yeah, the old McLean's magazines.
Yeah, 5 cents. $5 each or 6 for 25. Yeah.
You're not fooling around, eh?
Nope. Here's a good example of fumed oak, so you can show them. This is metal.
Oh, that is metal.
But do you see how it's painted on?
Yeah. And so that's hand done?
I think so. There may have been some sort of a tool they used.
Yeah, that's metal.
But just to show you that how good they were at making it look like oak.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing, eh?
Yeah.
This here?
Oh, yes.
Oh, fire extinguishers.
Oh yeah, we've got a few of those already.
Yeah.
Yep.
Where you have to pull the top and dump the stuff out.
Dump the chemical
Stand
out.
in the fire while
Yeah, I know. Like,
Yeah,
how close
exactly.
do you have to be?
The house is burning. I don't think that much.
Yeah, no kidding.
Wouldn't prop
Yeah.
off the plane or the inside part off the plane.
Nice blue one.
Yeah,
I like
it
that
is
one.
really blue in that jar too.
Yeah, that's a nice one too. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, I like this one.
Okay.
You're gonna fall.
Yep.
I'm gonna leave you here.
You're be bleeding on the ground. $100.
Whew. I have at least 2 or 3 of these.
Yeah. These ones behind here, $125.
I have like 4 or 5 of these.
Yeah. I think they're a little overpriced.
Yeah, a
What are you gonna do
little.
with that? 15 years old. I don't know. What are you gonna do with that? Well, you kind of turned red.
Yeah, got some
You guys are into
little
airplanes.
bottles and stuff
Get
there.
out of your way.
Get out of your way.
Have a look and see what they got here.
I bought a new one last year. Wood chip.
Pedal liniment probably works better than all the you're buying.
Who knows what's in it? That's the thing.
Get your daily dose of cocaine and some of these
Yeah.
old stuff, eh?
Yeah.
I don't know how old they are before they lose their potency.
I don't know if they ever do those
Oh,
old
an
ones.
old barber pole. Look at that. Right in front of you.
Oh, wow. Should,
Tell the...
yeah, the boys bought our chair. That's cool. They might be interested in that, yeah? I don't know. I wonder if Mitch would like these.
Probably.
This one's really old.
Yeah, that'd be like a
This
Christmas
one's
present
only
or something.
15 cents.
Yeah.
I think he would
I
probably
think so.
like these.
9, 11. You want a bag?
No, that's fine. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, I think he'll like these.
Yeah. Yeah, those are
I'm
cool.
always happy when we find something for Mitch because he's the hardest.
Yeah, he is hard to buy for, isn't
Yeah, he is. That's nice. blue and green ones.
Yeah, and there's so many like imperfections in the glass.
And then you can see where I'm not sure if that's called a pontil.
Oh, that's where it was connected to the rod that the glass maker would blow out of?
Yeah. So it wasn't in a mold. There's no... Well, I guess there is seams, though. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
I don't know. I should know more, but I don't. I know it's blue and it's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I need to know for now. And it was $2, so... Where's everybody parked? Like,
I don't know. This is Regina.
is that the... I'll throw these in the back. When you put your keys in, that might go off.
They're in.
No, but like, oh, bang.